there guys, I'm your teacher Luis, and today I'm going to tell you about my profession and what I do on a typical work day. Every day I wake up at 5 a.m. Then I get up and start getting ready to go to work. I leave for work at 7 a.m. and I arrive there at the company at Bayer at 7:30. Then I start working. First of all, I need to put on my uniform. It is an overall, and over it I use a coat, as well as gloves, boots, and a special helmet to go to the plant of the company. First of all, I need to check the packing procedure, how they are packing the products in the different machinery they use to pack the products. So I check the weight of the products as well as the quality of the packing of the bags to avoid the product to leave the packet. So I take some samples to check that quality. At the same time, I need to take some little samples of the product to check that the quality of the product is okay. I mean, the product has to be on a range between 95% and 100%. To do that, I take some samples and I take them to the laboratory. There in the laboratory, we check the quality of the products. But coming back to the plant, I also receive the raw material as well as the main ingredients for the products. I need to do some checking of it to make sure the quality of the product is good. I mean, the bags has to fulfill some requirements for packaging as well as the cartons. We need to check that all the requirements are fulfilled. At the same time, when I receive the raw material, like for example powder or sawdust, we also check the quality of these products and the active principle of the products as well. So when I am back at the laboratory, I start making all these analysis. I start analyzing the products using the HPLC technology. This is a machine that gives us the concentration of the main active of the product. At the same time, we also use a special machine called IR. This is infrared. We use this infrared to also check the quality of the products. Talking about the cartons and the bags, they also need to fulfill certain caliber as well as other qualities they have to give a good quality for the products. So as you can see, I have to do many things at my job. I start working at 7:30 a.m. as I told you, and I work all the way up to 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. I go for lunch, and then I come back to work at 2:30, and I work until 5 p.m. I have to fulfill many activities at work, and I have to fill out many documents regarding the quality of the products. I need to check the certain quality of the products as well as the materials we use for packaging. Check everything, and for my job I need to use certain laboratory equipment like Erlenmeyers, pipettes, as well as beakers. So all this is in order to have a good quality for our products, and this is my job. At 5 p.m. I go back home, I take a rest and get ready to start working the next day to fulfill my job. So see you around guys, and this is my job as an industrial chemist.